Hello friends, I am Orgho, your educational consultant and as admission guide. Sometimes we fail to keep up with others, not because we don't have talent, not because we don't have the capacity to do things, but because we choose the wrong platform to show our talent. This video is for those students who are now at their crucial stage of life, where their choice will decide their future. After 12th, you need a solid idea to decide your career. I really want to suggest all of my juniors not to choose that career option only because others are suggesting to choose it. In today's world, there is a huge option to make your hobby as your career. There are various courses available which match with your hobby and you can choose them other than your subject specific courses. Here are some of the suggestions which you could choose as your career option. Number 1. Digital marketing. Digital marketing is the best and most promising field in the current scenario if you choose the right course and institute for this. After gaining some necessary experience from the course, you either can start your own business independently or can work for an enterprise. Course available in digital marketing is 3 to 6 month course, which is ideal for a business person or entrepreneur, and undergraduate diploma course in digital marketing, which is for freshers in the field of digital marketing. Since this field is broad, you can select your profession according to your interest. The posts available in digital marketing fields are SEO executive, social media marketer, content writer, community manager, PPC executive, email marketing executive, web designer, graphic designer, digital sales expert, e-commerce marketing manager. Number 2. 3D animation. This is one of the least unfolded pitch in India. Use of 3D animation has taken a hype and animators are one of the most required person in any ad copy, films or movies. So this field has a huge scope to growing. Both degree and diploma courses are available for 3D animation. I will suggest the higher studies for this course because that can take you very high. You can work for movies also and you can get a really handsome amount of salary. Animators are required in advertising, online and print news media, film and television, cartoon production, theater, video gaming, e-learning and in government sectors also. Number 3. Fashion designing. Fashion designing is another untouched sector of India. This is again a creative pitch. If you have a nice sense of dressing and you always observe all trending and new fashion trends, you can try this field. It's a glamorous field. If you do well with your talent, you can be a great fashion designer. There are many courses available for fashion designing as BSc in fashion designing, Bachelor of Interior Designing, Bachelor of Design Accessory, Bachelor of Design Leather, Bachelor of Textile Design. You can work in garment and textile export houses, custom designer in television and film industry, retail chains, freelancer, and last faculty of college or school. Number 4. Photography and videography. This is again a creative pitch. A photographer shows a unique and beautiful view of a simple thing. If you think you are also one of them, you must try this course. When we make our hobby as a profession, we can give our best in it. So you will definitely do best in this field if photography or videography is your hobby. There are many courses available in this course, such as Bachelor in Filmmaking, Diploma in Photography and Videography, Bachelors in Photography. Number 5. Travel and Tourism. Travel is one of most exciting and thrilling field. If you love to travel and like to greet new people and understanding their culture, this can be the best option for you. Although it's a challenging career, but is a rewarding career also at the same. Courses of travel and tourism are available as diploma as well as degree. Number 6. Graphic designer. Graphic designers are the creative one. They explain things in fewer words with the help of their designing. After the course, you can work from blogs, films, media, etc. What you need in this field is creativity, good observation and drawing. These were the courses which you can choose after 12th. Don't hesitate to make them your career option if you do have interest in any of them. It is very essential to know what you are passionate about. Hope the video helped you. All the best for your future. Please subscribe my channel. Thank you.